Mindful eating, a practice rooted in the concept of mindfulness, is a powerful tool to gain control of your eating habits. It can lead to improved health, increased enjoyment of food, and considerable weight loss. Particularly for individuals aged 50 and older, mindful eating can be a transformative practice. As we age, our bodies and nutritional needs change, making it crucial to remain attentive to what and how we eat. This video will guide you through 21 practical ways to practice mindful eating to help you lead a healthier and more fulfilling life. Tip 1. Take your time. When eating, it is important to slow down and savor each bite. Chew your food slowly and take breaks between bites to fully experience the flavors and textures of your meal. Tip 2. Pay attention to hunger cues. Be mindful of your body's signals for hunger and fullness. Eat when you are truly hungry and stop when you feel satisfied, not overly full. Tip 4. Use all 5 senses. Engage all your senses when eating. Smell the food. Look at its colors and textures. Listen to the sounds it makes when you eat. And of course, savor the taste. Tip 5. Appreciate your food. Take a moment before each meal to express gratitude for the food in front of you. This will help you cultivate a positive and mindful attitude towards eating. Tip 6. Eat in a calm environment. Choose peaceful and quiet surroundings to enjoy your meals. This will allow you to fully focus on your food and eating experience. Tip 7. Listen to your body. Pay attention to how different foods make you feel and adjust accordingly. Choose foods that nourish your body and make you feel energized. Tip 8. Use smaller plates. Portion control is important for mindful eating. Using a smaller plate can help prevent overeating by making you more aware of how much food you are consuming. Tip 9. Eat in moderation. Allow yourself to enjoy all foods in moderation. Depriving yourself can lead to unhealthy binging behaviors. Tip 10. Don't judge yourself. Be kind and non-judgmental toward yourself when it comes to food choices. Every meal is an opportunity to practice self-care and nourish your body. Remember, balance is the key. Tip 11. Take breaks between bites. Pause and take a few mindful breaths between bites to slow down your eating pace and give your body time to feel satisfied. Tip 12. Chew slower. Take the time to fully chew your food before swallowing. This will not only aid in digestion, but also increase the enjoyment of your food. Tip 13. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to stay hydrated and maintain a healthy appetite. Sometimes we mistake thirst for hunger, so staying hydrated can prevent overeating. Tip 14. Plan your meals. Schedule regular meal times and plan balanced meals ahead of time. This will help you avoid making impulse food choices when feeling extremely hungry. Tip 15. Cook at home. Cooking your own meals allows you to control ingredients and portion sizes, making it easier to make healthier choices. Plus, cooking can be a fun and mindful activity. Tip 16. Avoid distractions. Practice mindful eating by avoiding distractions such as watching TV or scrolling through your phone while eating. This will allow you to fully focus on your meal and better recognize when your body is satisfied. Tip 17. Seek support. Don't be afraid to seek support from friends, family, or professional if you struggle with disordered eating or have a complicated relationship with food. Tip 18. Remember, it's important to prioritize your mental and physical health above all else. Tip 19. Celebrate progress. Be proud of the progress you make towards having a healthier relationship with food. Every small step counts and deserves to be celebrated. Tip 20. Be patient. Developing a healthy relationship with food takes time and effort. Be patient with yourself and focus on progress rather than perfection. The most important thing is to maintain a balanced and nourishing approach to food. By incorporating these mindful eating practices into your daily routine, you can develop a healthier relationship with food and enjoy a more fulfilling eating experience. Mindful eating is just one tool in the larger toolbox of mindful living. The journey towards a healthier and happier you is not a destination, but an ongoing process that requires patience, self-compassion, and dedication. Remember, eating mindfully not only benefits your physical health, but also your mental well-being. So take the time to savor and enjoy your meals and appreciate the nourishment it provides to your body, mind, and soul. Please note that the advice and tips provided in this video on mindful eating and healthy lifestyle practices are intended for general informational purposes only. They should not be taken as professional medical advice or used as a substitute for professional health care. Although these practices can lead to improved well-being, results can vary from person to person. Always consult with a healthcare provider before making any major changes to your diet or eating habits. Individual health needs and restrictions should always be taken into account. If you have found our content on mindful eating and living a balanced life helpful, we invite you to subscribe to our channel. By doing so, you'll join a supportive community dedicated to healthy living, and you'll never miss out on our latest tips and advice. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.